Hello and welcome. You are now looking at the WarriorPlus affiliate network and marketplace. Now, this marketplace is designed for individuals who want to create and sell their own digital products, as well as affiliate marketers who want to promote those products to an audience or subscriber list. Now, the individuals that both buy and sell products on this marketplace are primarily looking for business opportunity or internet marketing related products. Now, in this course, we will discover how you will create your own digital product and sell it on the network, as well as how you can participate as an affiliate. Now, the WarriorPlus network doesn't cost anything to join as an affiliate, and there is no upfront fee to sell as a vendor. Now, one of the things that makes this marketplace unique are the marketplace alerts that marketers have set up when certain products are being released, which means then that you as a vendor will have access to the individuals that are requesting notification of products as they are released, which means then that you can start out with a product without an existing subscriber base as well as without an existing affiliate base and still expect to have traffic come to your page. So in this course, we will walk through all of the necessary technical processes to show you how to do that. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.